A weekly market update, what occurred and what to anticipate. This week, positive announcements and data brought smiles to investors' faces. The Dow Jones Index closed the week with a 0.82% increase, reaching 36,245.50, while the Nasdaq finished with a 0.55% rise, closing at 14,305.03. Another one of our indices, the S&P 500, showed a 0.59% increase, reaching 4,594.63 points. In commodities, the price of gold continued its rapid ascent, reaching levels around $2,091.70 per ounce, while silver, moving a bit more slowly, closed the week at $25.895. The developments in the United States last week were quite significant. The preliminary growth data for the third quarter surpassed expectations, once again highlighting the strength of the U.S. economy. The 5.2% growth suggests a trend of economic recovery, boosting investor confidence. Additionally, the slowdown in the core personal consumption expenditures data was noteworthy. This data signaled a moderation in inflation. The decline from 3.7% to 3.5% in core personal consumption expenditures can be interpreted as a reflection of the Federal Reserve's efforts to combat inflation. Federal Reserve Chairman Powell's comments on interest rate hikes also had an impact on the markets. Powell reiterated the possibility of raising interest rates when necessary, emphasizing the flexibility in monetary policy. Such statements often lead to market fluctuations and serve as an important reference point for investors. This week, the announcement of inflation data in the domestic markets holds significant importance. Inflation, being a critical indicator for economic stability, is closely monitored by investors. Additionally, employment data from international markets may have an impact on the markets. Employment figures provide important clues about the overall health and growth potential of the economy. Mint Mind, Investing Channel.